What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick modification to our Subaru Crosstrek. I'm going to be modifying the factory airbox to get more flow out of it. I'll also be installing a higher flowing intake filter while I'm at it. Similar process is going to apply to most modern Subarus. So let's get started. This is all that we're going to be using for today's project, just some basic tools to remove the airbox cover. I'll show you what the box cutter is for in a little bit. This is the part number I'm using for our 2019 limited model. The same part number should fit 2018 to 23 models. Also fits Outbacks, Foresters, and newer WRXs. If you have a 2013 or 2017 Crosstrek, that is going to be a different part number. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get the correct filter for your car. What I like about these K&N air filters is that it comes with a lifetime warranty. You can clean it and reuse it over and over again for the life of the car instead of buying a new filter every 30,000 miles. It comes pre-oiled and ready to install. It says that you can go up to 75,000 miles between cleanings, but I don't subscribe to that nonsense. I think you should always clean your air filter at most every 30,000 miles. First step is to unplug the mass airflow sensor. Then we're going to remove the air intake tube from the airbox cover, just one clamp. Unclip the cover from the box. Take the harness off the box cover, just one clip. It's going to be the air filter that we're going to be replacing. Pretty dirty. It's been on there for like 36,000 miles now. It's nice and snug in the airbox. Nice tight seal all around. This is the part of the factory airbox that we're going to be modifying. I'm going to be cutting out the charcoal filter. As you see, it's very dense. I can see how that can be very restrictive. So it's coming out. Just a quick disclaimer. Doing this type of modification can certainly void your factory warranty, so I don't suggest you do this if you still care about that. Our Subaru Crosstrek has like 68,000 miles on it now, so I don't really care about that stuff. I just used a box cutter to cut through the center of the charcoal filter so I can stick my hand through it and rip it out. And then I used it to clean off all this excess material that was left over along the edges to ensure no debris gets into the intake. Now I just got to put it back together. Harness clip back on. Mass airflow sensor plug. Intake tube clamp. And that's it.
Gather to create a just world where all people have access.
So how much power can you make with this kind of modification? 2-3 wheel horsepower? We're not gonna find out because I'm not gonna put the car on a dyno over a 5-minute modification, but I'm sure it does help quite a bit. Imagine running with a mask on versus a mask off. It's always going to be easier to run with a mask off. In terms of power, more flow can't hurt it. But if you found today's video helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, such as the Subaru Crosstrek or my E30, my bike projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.